I have a question here. Ano po ang ginawa nyo to awaken? Hindi po ako nag-push na mag-awaken. Kusa lang siya. So, I had a very high fever, 105 F, which is 40.C Celsius, which is dapat sana emergency na talaga. But then I keep it from my husband kasi ayaw kong magpa-hospital talaga. And then at that time I said to Papa God, kunin mo na ako kasi hindi ko na kaya ang sakit ng ulo ko. And the way I see it, when people like that have that kind of fever, something's going on with the brain. Pero protected po ako. Walang nangyari sa brain ko. I'm normal. And saka lang ko lang nalaman na I was awakened through my cousin na spiritual siya. Siya yung nag-explain sa akin. Pero after a month na siya. Organic awakening. I wasn't awakened by any rituals. Nor I don't have any idea about spirituality.